Unboxing. Ta-da! Wow! As of now, I will be transferring my old my money or my things from my old wallet to my new wallet. Gipalit na ako ni siya last 2021 pag yun. Surviving. Pero, I just want to buy new. Para makapahaway na po ni. Okay, goodbye. Si Kasana. Hello, si Gloka. Okay. So, akong pakita to mo inside ani. Baga ni siya pero nakabagaan ni mga cards. Ay, di na jud ang mga nakabagaan ni. Pero wala din siya sulod. Only 50 pesos. So, help me to transfer my cards. These are my cards. Okay. I will let you see what's inside of my wallet. Grabe, napaka ano nitong wallet ko, surviving. Kasi 2021 pa na ako nag-purchase. I believe mga around December 2021. So, it's time para alis na po. Para more blessings. Okay? Okay, once again, goodbye si Kasana. Hello, si Gloka. Una na akong ipsulod is ako ang coins. Ako ipon. I have 29 pesos. Actually, if you want to purchase this, ano na siya sa TikTok, guys. So, what I have here is resibo, picture, and then picture also, and then resibo na po. And I have this, the Golden Gate in card. Sa, ano siya, one of the hotel in Dumaguete. I've been there in Dumaguete. And I recommend you the Golden Gate. Nara siya sa sentro sa Dumaguete. Anyway, I have here a lot of cards. Cards. And then card. And then to buy the picture. And then my son's picture when he's still 3 years old that time or 4. And then, anong tawag nito? This one of the letter from my closest friend. Amot lang kung kadumdum pa siya ani. Pero I kept it. Okay.